Hello, and welcome to BestWebSoft. Today we will learn how to create and manage galleries using the Gallery plugin by BestWebSoft. Let's start by installing the plugin. To do so we need to go to Plugins and click Add New. Now we need to search for a plugin. Type Gallery by BestWebSoft. Click Install and activate. The first thing to do is to add a new gallery. Select Add New from the Galleries tab of your dashboard. Use the New Gallery page to add information and configure a single gallery. You can add a title and a short description of its content. Add images from your PC or from the media library using the Images tab. Click the Select Files button or drag and drop files into the window to upload new images from your computer. Open the Media Library tab to choose images that are already uploaded into the media library. Select images and click the Insert button. The selected images will be displayed in the Gallery Images tab. To add additional info to gallery images, click the pencil icon in the upper right corner of the image. Use the Edit Image Info window to change the title, alt text, URL, and description of the image. After saving changes, the title and the description of the image will be displayed in the Lightbox mode. Click the Set Featured Image link in the Featured Image section to add a featured image used as the album cover of a gallery. Upload an image or select the preferred one from the Media Library tab and click the Set Featured Image button. The chosen image will appear in the Featured Image section. Click the Update button to save changes. You can add galleries to posts and pages using the shortcodes. Create a new page or post, open it in the Edit mode, enter the title, and click the Add BWS shortcode button. Select the preferred gallery from the drop-down list and click the Insert button. The gallery's shortcode will be automatically inserted into the content of a post or page. Click the Update Publish button to see the gallery in the front end. After saving the changes, the page with the inserted gallery may look as follows. Enable the Display an Album image with the description and the link to a single gallery page option, and click the Insert button to place all the pictures of the gallery in one album with the description and the link to a single gallery page. The shortcode will appear in the content of the poster page. Click the Update button to save changes. After saving the changes, the page with the album image may look as follows. It is possible to add all the existing galleries to one page at once. This can be implemented in several steps. Open the Global Settings page. Select the Cover tab and choose the page for your galleries in the drop-down of the Galleries page option. The existing galleries will be added to the chosen page and will be displayed as albums. Paginal navigation settings can be altered in a reading page of a Settings tab. If the number set in the box of the blog pages show at most option is 1, the page with the galleries will display only one gallery. To view the other galleries, use the paginal navigation at the bottom of the page. Use the options of the Gallery Categories page to sort the galleries by categories. To create a category, fill out the necessary fields, choose the parent category, the type of sorting, and click the Add New Gallery Category button. Use the options of the Edit mode to edit a category. Make the preferred settings and click the Update button to save changes. Use the Gallery Categories section to set the category of a gallery. Set the preferred category and click the Update button. Use the Add BWS shortcode button for adding gallery categories to a post or page. Open the page in Edit mode and click the Add BWS shortcode button. Select the necessary gallery category from the drop-down list and click the Insert button. The shortcode of the chosen category will be automatically inserted into the content. Click the Publish Update button to save changes. After saving changes, the galleries included in the category will be displayed on the page. Use the Widgets page for adding a gallery category widget to a post or page. Open the Widgets page of the Appearance tab and select the Gallery Categories widget in the list of available widgets. Add Gallery Categories widget to a sidebar. Set the title of the widget if necessary, choose its type and click the Save button. If the Display as drop-down option is enabled, the Gallery Categories widget will look as follows. If the Show Gallery Counts option is enabled, the number of galleries placed in the chosen category will be displayed next to the category. The Gallery Categories widget will look on a page as follows. Use the options of the Global Settings page to make the settings applicable to all the galleries of the website. Use the Gallery Layout option to choose the type of layout for galleries between grid and masonry. The grid layout will look on a page as follows. The masonry layout will look on a page as follows. Use the Number of Columns option to set the number of columns for the galleries. If the number of columns makes 4, the gallery on a page will look as follows. Use the Image Size option to set the size of the images displayed in a gallery on a page. Choose Custom Image Size and set the preferred width or height values in the boxes of the Custom Image Size option to set the size of the images manually. After saving changes, the gallery with the custom sized images may look as follows. Enable the Crop Images to crop images using the sizes defined for custom image size. Disable to resize images automatically using their aspect ratio. Use the Crop Position option to choose the crop position base. After saving changes, you will see a notification custom image size was changed at the top of the page. Click the Update Images button in order to apply the set crop position. After updating, the images will be cropped in accordance with the set crop position. Enable the Image Title option to display the image title along with the gallery image. Titles of the images under Image will look on the gallery as follows. Titles of the images on mouse hover will look at the gallery as follows. Enable the Image Border option to make the images be displayed with a border. Enter the necessary border size in pixels next to the Image Border Size option and select the color using the color picker of the Image Border Color option. After saving changes, the gallery images will be displayed with the set border. Enable the Unclickable Thumbnail Images option to make the images in a single gallery unclickable, to hide their URLs, and to disable Lightbox. Enable the Pagination option to limit the number of images displayed on a single gallery page. Set the number of images displayed on a gallery page in the box of the Number of Images option. The default number is 9. If the number of images is 2, the page with a gallery may look as follows. Use the Sort Images By option for sorting the images. Choose the image sorting order in the drop-down of the Sort Images By option between Manually, Image ID, Name, Date, and Random. Use the image arranging order in the Arrange Images By option between ascending and descending. The descending order will look on the page as follows. The ascending order will look on the page as follows. Enable the Backlink option to have a backlink at the bottom of a gallery. Specify the backlink URL and the backlink label in the corresponding fields if you need to customize them. In order to set the page for a backlink, open the Cover tab and choose in the drop-down of the Galleries page option the base page, where all the existing galleries will be displayed. Enable the Backlink with Shortcode option in order to place a backlink on the pages with the shortcode of a gallery. After saving changes, the backlink placed on the page will look as follows. Note, if neither backlink URL nor the Galleries page option is active, the backlink will not be displayed on the page. Enable the Disable Fancybox option to avoid conflicts of the plugin with the theme's Fancybox. Use the options of the Cover tab to make all the necessary settings for the covers of the galleries. Choose the base page, where all existing galleries will be displayed in the drop-down of the Galleries page option. Use the Albums Displaying option to choose the way the galleries will be displayed on the Galleries page. Albums displaying in columns may look on a page as follows. Albums displaying in rows may look on a page as follows. Use the Column Alignment option to align the album column on the page. The center column alignment will look on the page as follows. The left column alignment will look on the page as follows. The right column alignment will look on the page as follows. Use the cover image size, choose the gallery cover image size in the drop-down menu. To set the custom cover image sizes, select Custom in the drop-down of the Cover Image Size option and type the preferred height and width values in the boxes of the custom cover image size option. After saving changes, you will see the notification, custom image size was changed. You need to update gallery images. Click the Update Images button. The result will look on a page as follows. Enable the cover image border option to set the cover image border color and cover image border size. Enter the preferred width of the border in the box of the cover image border size option and select a color using the color picker of the cover image border color option. The gallery cover with the set border may look as follows. Use the Sort Albums by option to choose the album's sorting order in the drop-down menu. Use the Arrange Albums by option to choose the album's arranging order. The ascending and descending orders are available. Change the Read More link label by typing the preferred text in the box of the Read More link label option. After saving changes, the Read More link label may look on the page as follows. Enable the Instant Lightbox option to view the images of the gallery in Lightbox mode instead of going to a single gallery page after clicking the cover image. Use the options of the Lightbox Settings tab to make all the necessary settings for Lightbox mode. Enable the Enable Lightbox option to view the images in the Lightbox by clicking them. Use the Image Size option to set the size for images displayed in the Lightbox mode. Set the custom Lightbox image size entering the height and width values in the boxes of the custom Lightbox image size option. Image with custom size may look in the gallery Lightbox as follows. Enable the Crop Lightbox Images option to crop the images using the size defined for the Lightbox. Use the Crop Position option to set the crop position base. After saving changes and updating the images, the Lightbox will display them with a consideration of the set crop position. Use the Overlay Color option to set the color for the overlay of the Lightbox. Select the color using the color picker. After saving changes and updating the images, the Lightbox will be overlaid with the set color. Use the Overlay Opacity option to set the overlay color intensity. Note, the lower the value of the opacity is, the less intensive is the color of the overlay. The 0.3 opacity level of the overlay may look as follows. Enable the Slideshow option to start the slideshow automatically when the Lightbox is used. Set the duration of a single image display in milliseconds entering the preferred value in the box of the slideshow duration option. The result will look on a page as follows. Enable the Lightbox Helpers option to display the toolbar and arrows in the Lightbox. After saving changes and updating images, the Lightbox with the displayed toolbar and arrows will look as follows. Enable the Download button option to place a download button in the toolbar of the Lightbox. After saving changes and updating images, the download button will be available. Note, if the Lightbox Helpers option is disabled, the download button will not be displayed in the Lightbox. Enable the Lightbox Thumbnails option to use a Lightbox helper navigation between images. After saving changes, the thumbnail images will be displayed in accordance with the chosen position. Set the position of Lightbox thumbnail images in the drop-down menu of the Lightbox Thumbnails Position option. The result will look on a page as follows. Use the Lightbox Button Label option to change the preferred text for the button label. After saving changes and updating the images, the entered text will be displayed on the button. Enable the Single Lightbox option to use a single lightbox for multiple galleries placed on one and the same page. Use the options of the Social Buttons tab to make all the necessary settings for sharing the images through social networks. Enable the Social Buttons option to show social sharing buttons in the Lightbox. Use the Social Networks option to choose the preferred social networks to be displayed as buttons in the Lightbox mode. The buttons of the chosen networks will be displayed in the bottom left corner of the Lightbox. Enable the Counter option to show likes counter for social buttons. After saving changes and updating images, the number of likes will be displayed on the like button. Use the options of the Miscellaneous Settings tab to make the settings regarding the search of the galleries. To set the custom slug for your galleries, enter the necessary text in the field of the Gallery Slug option. The Enter Gallery Slug will be displayed in the browser search bar for each gallery. Gallery by BestWebSoft plugin is compatible with Custom Search by BestWebSoft plugin. This plugin will include galleries in search results. To download the plugin, click the Install Now button. After downloading and activating the Custom Search plugin, enable the Search Galleries option to include galleries in search results. After saving changes and updating images, you will be able to find your galleries by their titles and content. Enable the Track Usage option to allow tracking plugin usage anonymously. Click the Restore Settings button to reset all the settings made previously and revert them to the default ones. Click Yes, Restore All Settings button to confirm the procedure. Use the Custom Code tab to insert a CSS, PHP or JavaScript code. To activate the inserted code, enable the Activate Custom Code option and save changes. Use the Install Demo Data Remove Demo Data button of the Demo Data option, found on the Import-Export tab, to remove or install the demo data of the plugin. Use the License Key tab to activate or check the Pro plugin license. To check the license key, click the Check License Key button. If the entered key is correct, the notification the license key is valid. Your license will expire on will be displayed in the upper left corner of the page. To make the settings for one of the galleries separately, open the preferred gallery in the Edit mode. Enable the Single Gallery Settings option on the Settings tab to make the adjustments within the chosen gallery and to disable the global settings for it. Gallery by BestWebSoft plugin is compatible with Slider by BestWebSoft. This plugin will create a slider with single gallery images. To download the plugin, click the Install Now button. After download and activation of the Slider plugin, click the Create New Slider button on the Edit a Gallery Settings tab to create a slider with single gallery images. The notification a new slider is added will appear on the page. Click the Edit slider to open the list of sliders. The sliders page will open. Copy the shortcode of the slider with the gallery images and insert it in the necessary place of the poster page. The result will look on a page as follows. These were all the settings for the Gallery plugin. Download the Gallery plugin by following the link in the description. We hope this video will help you with your goals. Thanks for watching and goodbye.